Hi, Melissa. Thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to discuss three different topics. First topic we're going to cover is content. Second topic we are going to cover is backlinks and keywords. And the third thing that I want to discuss is citations. But before we get started, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Joshua Gutierrez, and I am with Scenic Spark SEO, and I love helping business owners crush their goals and scale their businesses. So with that, let's get to it. So we are looking into Mcdade and Woodcock Incorporated. Now, when I punched in electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico, I went all the way down to 100, and I could not find Mcdade and Woodcock on here. I couldn't even pull up the site a couple instances. So with that, I just typed in the site and we'll move forward. So let's kind of make a little review of your website. So let's first talk about content. Now, what Google really loves is, I would say, approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And let's scroll down and see how much content you have. Okay. Now we will put it in the word counter. Now, have you mind? Come on. Okay. You have 533 words on your front page. Now it could be a big reason why you're not even ranking or anything in there. But that's the one of the number one key factors is what Google really loves. And the way they do this is Google pretty much sends a bunch of little tiny bots, so to speak, to basically go up and down every single page for 24 hours, 7 days a week. So with that being said, let's go take a look at your competitor. Okay, let's see. Okay, your competitor on the fourth position is Wagner Mechanical. Now, have you mind, now if we wanted to rank for electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico, um, I understand that we have Angie, we have Yelp, and BBB. Now, these are national. Okay, the only reason why they're ranking is because they're pushing a lot of power nationally. So, in order for us to beat them and Wagner, we have to do what Wagner is doing and then some, because Wagner is going for local keywords. So, if you want to go for Albuquerque, New Mexico local, or you want to go to Denver, Colorado local, then we can shoot for that. But let's kind of look at Wagner. They're in the fourth slot. Um, I could tell by looking at it, they have fewer words than you in content. So what I did is I plugged in your website into what's called Ahrefs, and you can purchase this tool. Anyone can, and basically what it does is it shows us a live view of the power of your website. Now, all we're really looking for is the strength, which is the UR, and the trust, which is the DR. Now, these two go hand in hand along with the backlinks, but we'll get to that. So it looks like your site isn't too trusted. It's pretty low at 4.4. So moving forward, that's pretty much about content. We're going to jump into backlinks and keywords. So it looks like yours is showing 284 organic keywords. Okay, so basically all these keywords are what you're ranking for, which I could not find your website anywhere. So basically we have KD, volume, we have everything that you have on your website on here that we can pull up. As far as, let's go back here. Now let's go to your competitor. I want to go touch on that real quick. So look at the difference between their website and yours. So they have a little bit more trust with Google. They have 2.51K of backlinks and 655 referring domains. Now let's go back. Okay, you only have 77 organic domains. So if we go back to them, we could pull up. They have 11.7 organics traffic. You only have 85. Now when we pull them up, they have 12K organic keywords. Now we have access to all these, so we could plug and chug everything that they have into yours. So in order to beat them, we'd have to do that and then some. In order to outrank them, so we would definitely outrank them to the third. And then if we put more power behind that using more keywords, then we can definitely have you rank right here. Let me show you. So we could definitely rank on the top above Angie. That's ultimately where we want to be. So that's about all I have with backlinks and keywords. Third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, again, I type in electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico. I do have, I don't see your business in here whatsoever. I scroll down, let's see, unless I missed it. But let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. So you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you are in the 16th position on the map pack. Basically what citations are, it's kind of like a digital phone book, so to speak. So you have all these citations linked to your business profile, which you created. But ideally, we would want to be on these top 3 positions to get everything that these 3 are getting. So that's about all I have for you. I hope you found this information useful. This information is free to you. You can do with it as you will. If feel free to contact me if you need some help getting this together and seeing how I can help your business. If not, no harm, no foul. And with that, I wish you a good day. So thank you very much for your time, and have a good one. Bye-bye. Take care.